Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So this one that is about x squared plus y. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2u. This one that is about 2x. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 gone here. So we got about u equals to number 2 with the square root of number 2. Because 1 square plus 7, we have number 8. The square root of number 8, that is about this one. When s equals to number 2, so I will put number 2 gone here to find the value of u. So u equals to the square root of number 11. So I will put this one gone here. Number 2, that is about this one. This one we change for u. S ds we change for this one. So u divided by u, we have number 1. The integration of the u, that is about u. And then we put the bounds from this one to this one. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.